Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make Sunomono Salad. You will need 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, toasted white sesame seeds for toppings. Step 1. Wash the cucumber, cut off the ends, and slice thinly. Use a slicer to slice the cucumber thinly and evenly to save time. Step 2. Add salt and let the cucumber sit for about 5 minutes. Step 3. Soak the dried wakame seaweed for about 5 minutes until it is rehydrated. Drain the seaweed completely. Step 4. Remove any excess water from the cucumber and add rice vinegar, sugar, and soy sauce to the bowl. Toast the cucumber well with the seasoning. Step 5. Finally, add the wakame seaweed to the bowl and toss everything together. Step 6. Sprinkle toasted white sesame seeds over the salad. I hope you will enjoy this refreshing cucumber salad. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.